Hey creators, let's dive into this month's roundup. We're adding channel insights sharing, a feature that lets monetizing creators share channel insights directly with advertisers, brands, and third-party platforms. If you're in the YouTube Shopping Affiliate program, you can share channel statistics, audience breakdown, and shopping performance insights to help you find new earning opportunities and increase visibility to advertisers. To enable the sharing, head to YouTube Studio on desktop, then Settings. Click Channel, then Advanced Settings, and check the box for Allow advertisers, brands, and third-party platforms to view channel insights for earning opportunities. For more info, check out the links in the description. We've added new top requested features to Advanced Mode to help give you a more in-depth look at your channel and content metrics within YouTube Studio Analytics. To enter Advanced Mode, head to YouTube Studio on desktop, then Analytics, and select Advanced Mode. Here, you'll find controls to customize an analytics report. You can choose to analyze your entire channel or a specific video, playlist, or content group. The breakdown feature allows you to customize metric grouping, such as viewing metrics per individual pieces of content or by different traffic sources. You can select which metrics appear in your report and use filters to narrow down your data. You can also compare data from different content, date ranges, or metrics by clicking Add Comparison. For more info, check out the links in the description. The Inspiration tab is now available for creators in the EU, UK, and Switzerland. The Inspiration tab enables creators to generate ideas and outlines with expanded functionality to include title suggestions, thumbnail ideas, and riffing on concepts. You can find the Inspiration tab on the content page within Studio Desktop. We're introducing deeper audience insights to help creators better understand their viewers. You'll now be able to segment key long-term viewer metrics by new, casual, and regular viewers. The new viewers metric remains the same, but casual viewers and regular viewers will replace the old returning viewers. Casual viewers have watched between 1 and 5 months in the last 12 months. Regular viewers have watched for 6+ months in the last 12 months. We hope this will help provide you with a deeper understanding of viewer engagement. We've launched a leaderboard for classic and immersive live streams designed to celebrate your most engaged fans. Viewers can earn points by actively participating during streams through live chat messages, super chat, super stickers, or gifts, and are ranked based on their total points. Viewers will see a crown icon at the top of the chat, which updates as they earn points. Clicking this icon takes them directly to the leaderboard, where they can see the top 50 engaged viewers. The top 3 viewers on the leaderboard will even earn a temporary badge that appears next to their name in the live chat. We hope this feature helps you easily recognize your top fans, spark support naturally, and drive more engagement. We're adding a post shelf on the channel page, making it easier for viewers to discover your posts. This shelf will be available on both desktop and mobile for creators with at least 2 posts. The shelf will automatically be added to your channel page, and you can change the position of the shelf or turn it off by heading to YouTube Studio, then Customization, then Home tab. We hope this helps more viewers engage with your posts. That's it for this month. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.